Thanks. Love your 6 chins too. Remind me never to do a video with you. For a variety of reasons. You're short. I can't stand up. If I stand up, you're not in frame anymore. You're hiding behind my shoulder. Good to see you, Becca.
Good to not see you, Becca. Aren't you missing a hat?
I'm missing a whole lot of things. I'm just playing right now.
Let me go grab your hat.
Go grab my hat.
Fine then, Dad. Just tell me what to do.
Really?
Sideways and backwards.
There we go.
Wait.
We're waiting. I don't know what we're waiting for. Oh, yeah. The cow glasses. This is perfect. Welcome back, everybody. This is Steve, KM9G, with Becca.
K9POK.
And the extra cool glasses. These come from the Undeniably Dairy. It must be like a dairy promo council type thing. Anyway, we are at the W8Y Youth on the Air camp in Cincinnati, Ohio. Well, actually, it's in Westchester, Ohio. It's at the Voice of America Radio Museum. It's all week this week. And while she's in camp, I got something to play with. Check this thing out. Okay, if you guys have been paying attention to the channel, you already saw me put the power poles on here, and I got roasted for putting the power poles on wrong, but they work, so I'm happy with it. So what comes in the box with this thing is the manual, and I threw that away already because who needs manuals? The power cord that I put the power pole adapters on, and it's got fuses on both sides, which is very nice, and the speaker mic combo. So open that up.
Wow, Dad.
Yeah, I'm telling you what to do again.
Is that all I am to you?
Yes, child labor.
Why to have children?
It's an Icom 705, and a friend of mine made a base plate for it, which is over there.
Oh, base plate. Let's go.
So this way, when you sit it on your workstation, it's got a nice little tilt to it.
Got little feet too.
Wouldn't want to scratch the desktop.
This is not working.
This is the part where I speed up the video.
No, you gotta keep this the right length, right speed, just so everyone can see how incompetent I am.
Okay. And so now, if it's sitting on your workstation, it's tilted at a nice angle for use. So what this thing doesn't come with is an antenna, which I can understand it not coming with an antenna. So I went out and I got this HYS NL-R2, which is supposed to be a 100-watt 2-meter and 440 antenna. And I got it with the PL259 base, even though the radio is BNC. And if you tighten that down, it doesn't swivel, but we're not tightening it down just yet. So I also got the WinCamp side mount thing that puts the antennas on the back side, and I got the toy box. Untie that.
Okay.
I got the toy box antenna to go for all the other bands that this thing does. So we'll check out all of these. Okay, so first thoughts on taking this thing out of the box are pretty interesting. I like it. It's heavier than I thought it would be, and then adding the metal base makes it just a little bit more heavy as well. One of the things I'm not happy with, but that's just me, is I feel like, and I'm just getting used to it, I feel like there's not a good way to grab a hold of this thing. Like maybe by grabbing a hold of the speaker over here to pick it up, or let me tighten that screw down real quick.
You got a problem with how tight I tightened it?
I do. Now it's tighter and doesn't shift as easily. But I don't want to grab it here like this and put my big thumb on the screen and try and pick it up. So I kind of pick it up like that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll get a little more comfortable with it. I'll probably not treat it as fragile farther into the future. But I'm looking at this from the aspect of a...
It's not centered.
It's not centered.
It's not centered.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now it's crooked. Let's straighten it up. Jeez.
It's not perfectly centered, but it's much better.
Much better. Okay, so I'm looking at this from the perspective of a 7300 owner, and now all of a sudden this thing does 2 meters and 440. What else does it do? So we click on here. This is pretty cool. We've got FM radio, we've got airband, we've got general receive. It's got markings for 160 through 70 centimeters. You can do the frequency input thing that you always could do with the 73. I'm not even pushing the touch screen hard enough because it's still my baby. I still want to take care of it and love it so much. Okay, so I'm on 2 meters, and I click the mode, and I can do SSB, CW, RIDI, AM, data, wide FM, digital voice. Oh, it does D-Star. I mean, we knew that, but and then regular FM. So it does all of the things that I would expect the 7300 to do, and it does all of the things that I would expect a 2-meter rig to do. And I'm on battery power, so I can only do 50%, which I knew about. So that's all pretty cool. But basically, I like the fact that it does airband. I like the fact that it does 2 meters. I like the fact that it's got GPS built in. I haven't done D-Star yet, so I don't know much about D-Star. But we've got a lot of stuff to play with, and I've got a lot of antennas to play with, and I'm sure there's some parks nearby, and I'm sure there's a whole bunch of other stuff nearby. But what I wanted to do was introduce you to the fact that I got this thing, and I'm going to be doing a couple of different videos on it throughout the week because I'm stuck in a hotel room while the kids are off at camp. So I'm being like super dad here, driving these kids around and chauffeuring them around and sending them off to camp. And the YOTA camp is an amazing thing for them. Hang on one second. Let's switch. All right, there we go. So we switched sides again. So what did you think of the YOTA camp so far?
It's amazing. There's a whole bunch of really cool YLs and YMs, and I got to get to know them all. And we were just
YM. I had never heard YM before.
Yeah, well, I'm using it. I'm coining it. You can give me the rights to it. It's all right. You can use it. I don't mind. Anyway, the point is, there's a whole bunch of really cool people. We got a whole bunch of introductions. We got some dinner. The dinner was good. We tried to build a card tower. Turns out
Montgomery Inn barbecue. Was it Montgomery Inn? I don't remember.
I don't know.
Montgomery Inn barbecue. I'm pretty sure it was Montgomery Inn.
I was just eating. I'm in a group with a bunch of 16-year-olds, which is cool. They're all guys. We need more YLs in the hobby. Anybody know a YL? But yeah, it's gonna be great. I can just foresee an amazing week ahead of me, and I'm super excited.
All right, so subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think I should do with this radio during the week while I'm here. I think I've got pretty much everything I need. I got a CW key. I'm not that great at CW. You heard it on the last video. I did some CW, not so good. I have USB cable. It's got Bluetooth built in, so I can also do digital modes that way. I've got antennas for every band that it does, I believe, so we're going to test those guys out. Make sure you ring the bell so you get a notification when a new video comes out, and we will see you in the next one.
Yeah, but you forgot one thing.
What did I forget?
The other thing that you need is me. You're not going to have me.
Oh, mic drop. Look at this. Look at the nerve of this one. Thanks for being awesome. We'll see you in the next one.